Outro.
Okay, what are we doing on the outro?
Okay. It's the reason that I like it. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la.
And while Lindsay cooks the vegetables in the butter, I will pour the Mrs. Cupboards in, old Mrs. Cupboards in a bowl. What are you at a bar? Give me another shot.
You don't like.
If you don't like. If you don't like. If you don't like. Thanksgiving stuffing. There's about 4 pounds of phlegm in the stuffing. Don't worry about the butter. It's translucent.
That's not new. He's just always waiting to do that.
Someone has domesticated a puma. And I watched this guy on Instagram.
Do I need to record this?
Yeah. Record this.
If you don't like stuffing on Thanksgiving, it's.
Am I slurring?
Not yet.
This episode, I'm a little drunk. What are you gonna do about it? Get your own cooking show, and you can be sober on it.
Not to get in your head, but you are doing a little bit of what Gary does, where you guys say. Next thing we're gonna do is we're going to.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
All right. F you.
Whoa!
Let's have that performative energy at the end of the whole thing.
Whoa! Scrum.
Scrum. Scrum.
Okay.
That
You can get the other ones, but I can't guarantee the outcome of that. So traditional is what you want.
How do you know she's nice?
Because she makes a beautiful stuffing.
She might be a bitch. We don't know, but she makes a beautiful stuffing.
I support. This is stupid. This is a stupid conversation.
She might be a bitch. She's clearly a great businesswoman.
She might be a bitch. But her stuffing is sold out at every grocery store every year.
So she's a boss ass bitch.
She's a boss ass bitch. Whether she's nice or not doesn't matter.
Second question. Do you want your slippers in the shot?
No.
Got it. You may want to change shoes.
My whole body is in the shot.
My whole body is in the shot.
It's right on the edge. Is it gonna mess up?
You know what?
I'll keep it out of the shot.
It's fine. It's not that no, it's fine.
I hope everyone comments. Did you see her slippers?
If you don't like
If you want to make this stuffing and then have it the following Tuesday,
Okay, I'm gonna do it this time. I'm gonna do it. No more playing around.
Okay.
I want to end this. Move over a little.
Sorry.
Okay.
Anyway, if you want this recipe, as I always say, it's in the comments below. And as always, from our house to yours. First, a happy Thanksgiving.
Oh, and
Bon
appetit. We have to do that again.
I don't know. I think that's
Yeah, you're gonna do it again.
Yeah.
that's the one.
That's like what a mess.
I don't know if the
What part of that was like, we got it?
I liked it.